All right, you guys, so we want to go over some frequently asked questions. I know a lot of you guys are wondering, what services do you offer? What are your prices? Do you take insurance? We're going to address all of that.
Hair loss falls under the cosmetics, so it's not covered under insurance. So The answer is no, we do not accept insurance. However, we do accept flexible spending, and we also accept the HSA as well.
Let's talk about pricing, because I know everybody's asking about prices.
So when it comes to the pricing, it just depends on what we are treating. So we have several different prices. You may think you have one thing, you come in, you may have two different types of hair loss. And we may have to do more things, or you may have to come in more frequently. So it's different. That's something tricky. Is we can't answer that question until you come in. We can treat dermatitis, psoriasis, traction alopecia, female pattern hair loss,
male pattern hair
loss, telogen effluvium, that's where your hair is shedding all over. We can assist you with alopecia areata. I'm pretty much trained to assist you with any type of hair loss. Also working with a fabulous dermatologist too, so if there is something that's a little bit more advanced where you need to see a dermatologist as well as being in the care of a trichologist, that option is available too. So we have the microneedling, we have the electroporation, we have the infrared light therapy, we have the hydration steam treatments, we also have the advanced trichology masks that we do. We also do PRP, which is the platelet-rich plasma, and we do the mesotherapy as well.
Let's talk about results, because
Yes.
everyone always wants to know, look, if I do this, I need to see it. I need to see results.
With the results, each individual person is different. So I can't say within 2 weeks you'll see results, within 3 weeks you'll see results. It depends on the condition that we're treating. If you have female pattern hair loss and we have you on a really good regimen where you're getting your hormones balanced out while you're getting treatments, typically what happens is as soon as your hormone starts to correct itself back in the body, then your hair will come in. So if we're treating traction alopecia, it just depends on, okay, what stage in the growth cycle is your hair in. You may see results within 6 weeks. I've seen some clients who've seen results in 3 weeks. So it just depends. And it also depends on how long have you waited before you've gotten treatment. And this is really important because it really hurts if someone comes in and you're 25 years old, you've experienced hair loss, but your scalp looked as if you were 80 years old. It hurts. And so you don't want to wait long. Signs like your scalp is tender, it hurts, or it stings, those are like really important signs that you want to be aware of. If your edges start thinning, or if you have braids or sewing and then it hurts, after it starts itching really bad, that means that the hair follicle is inflamed, and the next step is you will experience hair loss.